Today I will show you how to test the tension of the wheel bolt. First, we will prepare one 10.9 grit wheel bolt. Fix it on the tensile test tool. And stretch it up and down on both sides at the same time. It will stretch 5 mm per minute, and it needs to stretch up and down until the bolt breaks. Normally, a 10.9 grit wheel bolt needs pass at least 1040 MPa minimum tensile strength in 104 kN guarantee load. Then the bolt is qualified. When the bolt is broken, the test is finished. You see, the bolt is totally fractured. And we also get the final data of this test. The bolt has passed the guarantee load tensile test of 151.8 kN with a minimum tensile strength of 1210 MPa, which exceeds the requirements of the standard test, so it's qualified.